Welcome back, Freedom Savers. This is the Fidelity Zero Expense Ratio Portfolio Update for the week. As you know, this is a new portfolio I just started like 2 weeks ago, maybe? Something like that. Maybe a week, 2 weeks, something like that. Anyways, we've only deposited $100 into it, so we'll see how it's doing here. I gotta pull up a picture for you. A picture. Where is it? Where is it? There we go. So this is the portfolio. I have these two funds in there, which is the large cap following the S&P 500 and the extended market, which follows mid cap mostly and some small caps. So overall, we should be following the market for the most part. I have noticed that I believe it was on Thursday. This one actually, my portfolio here actually lost a little bit of money, while Thursday was a green day for all of the indexes. So yeah, that was a little disappointing. It didn't quite follow the index there, but it made up for it the next day on Friday and came right back up, and we were good. So I haven't compared it exactly to how they're doing. I mean, it's only 1 week, so I don't really give a damn, but you get the point. Looking at the history of these before I even decided to make this portfolio, it was outperforming the market. So even though it showed a loss, well, the market had a loss. So yeah. Anyways, as you know, I deposited $100.04 into this portfolio because I had 4 cents left over from about a decade ago. And yeah, so far we are up about 3.58%. My portfolio, my spreadsheet actually shows I'm up 3.56%, which is more accurate. I don't think this one's accounting for the 4 cents. I don't know why Fidelity wouldn't account for the 4 cents, but it's like the 4 cents just didn't happen. So that's a little odd. But anyways, yeah, we're up $3.58 or 3.58%. And that's why I say they're not counting for that 4 cents in there. Anyways, that's this portfolio. Let me hop over to the spreadsheet. We're at $103.60, $0 in cash. I deposited $100.04, which means we're up $3.56 or 3.56%. And we started this on February 4th, so it's been a couple of weeks. There's been no dividends earned or paid. And yeah, that's this portfolio. I just want to give you guys a heads up on this one. As you know, these are completely zero expense ratio index funds. They're not ETFs, they're index funds. But they have a zero expense ratio for managing that fund. So there are no fees to buy it, no fees to sell it, and no fees to own it. So it's awesome. And so you got all that diversity in just 2 stocks, or yeah, 2 stocks, and you're good. So I'm testing this out. We'll see how these perform, see if they really do follow the market or outperform the market or underperform the market. And I'll let you know, and maybe you'll be interested in doing this on Fidelity as well, since there is no fee to do this particular strategy. Fidelity does have many other fees, so careful with that. Anyways, I hope you're all doing well. I'm working a bunch of overtime. Don't have a lot of time to make videos, unfortunately, and I'm very, very tired lately. But got to make that money, got to get that credit card paid off so we can pay off more money, more debt, and keep investing. So I hope you're all doing well, and I'll talk to you in the next video I make. Have a good one. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.